What's up YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between a while loop and a DoWhile loop. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so we're going to start off with an int variable called I and set it to 10. Actually, we're going to start from 1 and count up to 10. See, I is less than or equal to 10. And inside our while loop, we're going to print out I, then we're going to decrement I. Alright, let's run it. Alright, so the while loop counts from 1 to 10, right? So a while loop is called a pretest loop. So that means it checks if the initial condition statement is true, and then it runs the code inside the body. So now let's do our DoWhile loop. See, do, and this time we're going to have the while loop at the bottom. So while I is less than or equal to 10 and a semicolon. So a DoWhile loop is called a post-test loop. It's going to execute what's inside the do body. Then it's going to check if the conditional statement is true. All right, so let's say print out I and increment by 1, and let's comment out our while loop. All right, now let's run our do while. All right, so on the surface they did the same thing, right? They both counted from 1 to 10. All right, so now I'm going to show you the difference. So let's change 1 to 25. So watch what happens. See, it executed 25 and then it ended the loop. So with the while loop, it wouldn't even print out anything because it's going to check first if I is less than 10. 25 is not less than 10, so it wouldn't print out this. So for our DoWhile loop, we put in 25 and it prints out 25 and then it increments and then it checks if 25 is less than or equal to 10. That's the difference between a DoWhile loop and a while loop. If you have any questions, comment below. All right, thank you for watching.